Welcome to Brighten Up Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. I hope you guys enjoy today's artwork and I hope you give a thumbs up. Today's topic is all about 5 science-backed ways to appear more confident and why it matters. See, confidence is a key factor in personal and professional success. It affects how others perceive you and also how you perceive yourself. Research has showed that appearing more confident will open doors to new opportunities, enhance relationships, and improve your overall well-being. So today's video, we're going to explore 5 science-backed methods to project confidence and explain why these strategies are effective. 1. Maintain good posture. Research has shown that there was an article by Amy Cuddy and colleagues. It was an article in a 2010 magazine that I found, Adopting Power Poses. And I've seen this throughout different magazines as well. But these power poses can increase your feelings of confidence and reduce stress. Standing or sitting up straight not only affects how others perceive you, but again, it's how you perceive yourself. Here are some actionable steps to take. Practice power poses. Who cares if people look at you like you're a little crazy? Spend a few minutes each day in a power pose. Standing with your feet apart with your hands on your hip, otherwise known as the Superman or Wonder Woman pose. This literally has been known scientifically to help you boost your confidence. It reduces stress, and that's extremely important before important events. So be mindful of your posture throughout the day. Make a conscious effort to sit and stand with your back straight and your shoulders back. 2. Make eye contact. Here's why it matters. A study published in the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior found that eye contact is crucial for establishing trust and demonstrating confidence. People who make eye contact are actually perceived as more competent and self-assured. Here are some actionable steps. Engage in conversations. Practice maintaining eye contact for a few seconds at a time during the conversation. This will show engagement and self-confidence. Use the 50-70 rule. Aim to maintain eye contact 50% of the time while you're speaking and 70% of the time while you're listening. 3. Speak clearly and with authority. And here's why it matters. Research in the Journal of Language and Social Psychology, it was published, and it indicates in this article that speaking clearly and with a steady voice is asserting and with higher levels of perceived confidence and competence. Here are some actionable steps you can take. Slow down. Practice speaking at a moderate pace to ensure clarity and authority. Practice projection. Work on projecting your voice to ensure you're heard clearly without straining. 4. Dress for success. Why it matters. Well, there's been study after study showing that clothing can influence how others perceive your status and your confidence. Dressing well will enhance your self-esteem and create a positive impression. Actionable steps to take. Wear well-fitted clothing. Choose clothing that fits well and makes you feel comfortable and confident. Choose professional attire for important events and opt for professional dress that aligns with wherever you're going. 5. Smile and use positive language. Why it matters. Smiling and positive body language can enhance the perception of confidence and warmth. There was a research in Emotions 2009 article that found that people who smile are often perceived as more confident and approachable. Here are some actionable steps. Practice smiling. Incorporate genuinely smiling into your daily interactions. This will project confidence and approachability. Use open gestures. Adopt open and relaxed body language, such as, uncrossed arms and relaxed hands. This will convey confidence. The conclusion for today is projecting confidence is more than just an external thing. It involves adopting behaviors and mindsets supported by scientific research. By maintaining good posture, making eye contact, speaking clearly, dressing appropriately, and using positive body language, you then can enhance how others perceive you and boost your own self-assurance. Implementing these science-backed strategies to improve your confidence and open new doors to success. Have you tried any of these? If you have these self-boosting techniques, share in the comments below. Thank you for subscribing to Brighten Up Sunshine. Remember, the sun always rises. Keep shining, stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video.